So for today's video, I am taking photos of a Lamborghini Gallardo that is being listed for sale. I think I would be actually interested in possibly trading in the Audi for this car. It's got carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber mirror, aftermarket front bumper, Boston wheels. It's got straight pipes. Sorry, it's late now. Overall, this car is awesome. It's a solid car. The only thing wrong with it is it's got this check engine light because it's straight piped. I gotta get over. The blind spot is absolutely, can't see anything. Oh, that scared me. Radar. Should I rev it for the officer? Don't know if they appreciate it. I saw either that or that. Oh no, it's a tight fit. And we're good. It's a tight fit, but I'll make it work. Yeah.
You guys, the Buick is revving. Nate, you got some competition.
I was louder than I thought. It didn't sound half bad too.
I just about whacked myself in the forehead.
A kid was filming.
Nate,
so.
you're scaring the kids.
I feel bad. There was one kid filming.
No, everyone loves it.
Thank you. Good timing.
The little girl's reaction.
Oh, we did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
They were running because they were scared, and then they started laughing. They said race. I'll win.
Nate knows he'll be down, so it's okay. We just had a motorcycle cop come up on us.
Traffic control's back.
There's your bumper.
Oh yeah, that's my bumper. Hey, you know that YouTube manual I gave you? You're gonna need it after this.
I know. It's capturing these freaking pans, dude. How do you do pans? I suck at them.
It's in your hips.
No. I know it's got to be something, dude.
Got my racing gloves on.
Props to Nate, he's got his driving gloves on here.
Yeah.
They're so slippery.
I like how you sell your ticket.
I used to have a lot more of it, so we threw them away.
Gonna learn and then do a hot lap, then an actual hot lap.
I got you. I got to tie my shoe 1 sec.
You're over the line.
Hey, you gotta keep the gloves on.
Hey.
How do you expect to get in minute 6? Come on.
Okay, so you're gonna show me the track.
What?
You're gonna show me the track.
You're gonna go slowly, aren't you, this round?
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda. I don't know the track that well. Go straight. Holy cow, dude. What? Hey Nate.
This is exhaust come out.
Good luck. It's your camera.
Dude, I'm doing it.
You want to say anything to your fans before you die?
I love all 4 of you. Yeah, I'm going high. 120.
Even more.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm surprised. Okay. 116. Okay, not that one.
Overshot it.
Yeah, 117. That's not bad. I got 117. It's the slow signs, but they put flags on.
I'm gonna catch you now, okay?
Hey, wait. You're past the line. Right there. You're 2 inches past. We'll take that off your time.
It's okay. I'll still catch you now. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go. I have so much crap in the back of my car. I can hear. I got my pit pipe back there.
Oh, look what we got here. I just got 117. What's your record? Yeah, I'm gonna go again. Got the sheriff.
They heard the NASCAR.
It's the cop from last night.
It's the, he's like, yeah, it's good. I just wanted to watch.
Hi.
Everything's good with the cops. If you have a super loud car, just try to keep it a little quiet as you drive.
A little quiet. Yeah. We'll shut off a second.
Everybody look at you.
I'm just as sad as you are.
Racetrack Skittles? Are you serious? Yeah, dude. They probably make you go faster.
James going in the 720S. And the other 720S with the same tune just beat their track record at a 105. That's it for the day. Thank you to BlinkerFluid. I'm gonna link them in the description if all 4 of you want to go check them out. I will see you guys next time.
Hey, slow for kids.